Good morning, children. You have seen birds fly around your house, right? But do you know their names? No? Okay, don't worry. Today I will take you to the magical world of birds. This is a parrot. P for parrot. Parrot is green in color. It eats chili. Duck. D for duck. D for duck. Duck lives in water. Peacock. Peacock. P for peacock. This is our national bird. Peacock looks very beautiful. Owl. This is an owl. O for owl. It comes out from its nest only at night. Crow. C for crow. C for crow. Crow is black in color. Pigeon. This is a pigeon. P for pigeon. P for pigeon. This is an eagle. E for eagle. It can fly very high in the sky. Cock. This is a cock. C for cock. C for cock. Now children, take out your alphabet book. This is an owl. Owl. Parrot. Parrot. Peacock. Peacock. Eagle. Eagle. Crow. Crow. Pigeon. Pigeon. Cock. Cock. Duck. Duck. Can you repeat with me, children? Owl. Parrot. Peacock. Eagle. Crow. Pigeon. Cock and duck. Thank you, children.